So start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown to the sky, keeping the chin parallel. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So bring the arms down, turn the palms out. Inhale, bring the arms up, palms together. Exhale, hands down to the chest. So inhale, looking up. Exhale, follow the hands down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So one more inhale, exhale down. And bring the arms in front of the body. Bring them up and around. Swap the arms over. Come up and around. Just in your own time. Just find what feels good for you. So coming down, we'll do crescent moon. So feet together, palms together. Lengthen up through the arms as we inhale. Exhale over to the left. Come back to center. Inhale. Exhale to the right. We're coming back to center. Inhale. Exhale over. Maybe pushing the hips in the opposite direction. Come in center. Inhale and exhale. Coming back center, one more each side. Inhale and exhale over. Coming back. Inhale and exhale. Then back to center, bring the arms down. So balance pose, we'll do dancer's pose. So standing on the right, take hold of the left foot. Bring the right arm up. So you may just want to practice the balance here. If you want to go further, we inhale, exhale, bring the leg up just a little bit to start with. And then gradually lift in the leg. So make sure there are no issues in that lower back. We're trying to keep the foot away from the bottom. We're coming down. So we'll do the other side. We'll do two on each side. So we'll stand on the left, take hold of the right foot. Bring that left arm up. And if you want to, inhale. We'll exhale, that lift in the leg. So just gradually working into the pose. So working with the breathing. On each out breath, see if you can go a little bit further. And coming down. So again, standing on the right. Take hold of the left foot. Inhale, exhale, lift in that leg. So this time, see if you can keep it a gradual movement to your maximum point and hold, and then come down. Take hold of the left foot. Inhale, and exhale, coming forwards, gradually coming into the pose. And coming back up. For standing pose, we'll do triangle pose. So start with the legs nice and wide. We'll turn that right foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled. Keep the body facing forwards. Inhale, exhale to the right. The right arm's down, left arm up. And again, this might be as far as you get. We come back to center. We'll inhale, exhale. Reach maybe a little further. Remember to breathe. If you're holding on to the breath, you've gone too far. We're coming back up. We'll do one more. Inhale and exhale. So reach as far as you can. Make sure you keep the chest open. So don't let that upper shoulder drop towards the ground. And then we'll come on up, turn the feet around and do the other side. Arms shoulder level. Inhale, exhale to the left. We're just working on your triangle pose wherever that may be. You come back to center. Inhale, exhale over. Back at the center, one more. Inhale, exhale, reach as far as we can. So lengthen up through the arms. We'll lock into the upper hand if the head and neck feels okay. And breathe. And we'll come on up and we'll finish with the good posture. And the breathing. Your shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground, placing one hand on the chest, and just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. And we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.